guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. To answer some questions for you. Also, you have access to all the replays. And if you miss a session, because that's another question I get. Well, what days are the sessions on? The calendar goes out monthly at the beginning of every month. So what I recommend people do is to take those dates and put it on your calendar, your Google Calendar, whatever you use, Apple Calendar, whatever you use, so you can know when the sessions are. You also do get a reminder email every week before the session begins. Okay, so we really try to make sure that you are there for the sessions. What questions do we have? Where are you in your notary business? Are you lacking confidence? Do you have your supplies? Where are you? Are you making money? Are you making money? You ever call somebody in your house and you know they hear you calling them? I know he hears me calling him. Jeffrey! Yeah. Come on, let's get ready. Bring the Vaseline for me, please. Y'all know he heard me calling him. So today, yeah, we missed our last dental appointment. So we have to go today. And yesterday, I try to do stuff. Well, y'all know I don't usually start work until 11. So I had a client yesterday. I had to end up giving it to somebody else. Somebody in the group was going to do it for me, but then there was a cancellation for that one. Then I had another one I couldn't do, so I had to give that to somebody. So have a notary buddy is another tip for today, okay? And network with people in your area. If they have work that they can't do, they'll give it to you, and vice versa, right? So that's why you got to be about that networking. Let me get the Vaseline. I'm gonna stay on my live for a few more minutes because I think we got some new people that just joined. Don't what? Don't put on Vaseline? Y'all know all about that reality TV life. Jeff like, don't be putting on Vaseline. I gotta put on the Vaseline. Is that what you said about? He rolling his eyes, y'all. Anyway, I gotta put this Vaseline on and talk to y'all. So we got a lot of new people. What else y'all talking about today? Any questions? Oh, that looks so much better. Because I can't be sitting in the dental office and she looking at my feet talking about me. And I can still wear sandals. I don't know where you guys are located, but in Georgia it's still really nice. We got the best weather, y'all. What other questions do we have? What other questions? Yeah, so it's not too late for you, okay? It is not too late. It is not too late. Go ahead and hit them elbows too. Don't let nobody tell you it's too late. I take my bag everywhere I go because as long as I'm in the state of Georgia, if something needs to be notarized, I can do it. I can do it. All right. Any more questions we have? What else we got? What else do we have? If nothing, we're going to wrap up in a minute. But whenever I see a whole lot of people jump on, I try to go ahead and answer your questions for you while we are live. As I do was saying, that makes sense. What makes sense? I didn't hear that part. Ooh. Hold on. Because I got this Vaseline on my hands now. I don't want to get it on. Oh, my phone fell. Sorry, y'all. Y'all like, what is she doing over there? Hold on. I got on a selfie stick and it. There we go. It wasn't level. Yeah, so anyway, I don't even know when I get to the doctor's office, somebody might need something notarized at the dental office. I'll just stay ready. Again, I always have my bag. Do you take your bag everywhere? Everywhere you go? Do you take your bag? everywhere. I take my bag everywhere I go. So let me tell y'all a little bit about Creators Club coming soon. It's not here yet, but it's coming. I'm working on it. I'm so proud to tell you guys about the Creators Club. It's called the Creators Club with Kimmi, and it is coming soon. And I'm so excited to roll that out too. So multiple streams, guys. Multiple streams. I'm all about that multiple streams of income. That's what I want for you.
Where's my wallet?
Wallet? I don't see your wallet, huh? Multiple streams of income. Let's talk about it. My bag goes everywhere with me. Lisa said her bag goes everywhere. Me too, girl. That's my money maker. I gotta make sure it's in this car because I had a client last night actually. Know where your local. Who's my sister? Finish my live. Know where your local FedExes are because I was able to help my client last night. They needed a document signed and it was regarding a court case. And Jeffrey can't find his wallet. He could look for it, y'all. He can't be that far. Let me look in here. It was regarding a court case. So I put my seal on the document and it actually was too big. So we had to reprint the document and then I just crimped it because she didn't like the way it looked with just the notary stamp on it. She didn't like the way it looked. Even though only thing required was the notary stamp, and many of you don't even have an embosser. She just looked at it, right? So I said, well, let me put a sticker on it, a gold seal. And when I put the gold seal, though, it was too big. So I folded it. I did the most ghetto thing ever. I folded it and then tried to stick it on there and then crimp it. It didn't look right. Hold on. He can't find his wallet, y'all. Hold on. Did you find it? Huh? Okay. He don't like all this social media stuff. He gotta get into it, y'all. So anyway, short version, I reprinted it and then make it look more official for her. I just crimped the document. So I said I'll start doing that sometimes. And they just wanted to they just want to see that seal, girl. Guys, because I know men are watching too. Yeah, they want to see that seal on it. So anyway, that's how I fixed it. And then I was able to tell her where the FedEx office was. And it was funny because she was Spanish speaking. And I was not expecting her to leave me a review because they were in such a hurry. My glass is steaming up. Y'all see that? Oh, it is hot out here. Hold on. Let me open this door. Oops. We are batting this out. Well, this is live, y'all. Hold on. Look, this is live. You can tell it's complete. That they made up. It's live. So anyway, she was so grateful though, because I was like, well, it was around 7 o'clock was the appointment. I said, if you get to FedEx, if you leave my house as soon as we finish, then you can go. Did you close the door? Is that door closed? Yeah. Look at it because it don't look closed. Anyway, so I knew where FedEx was, the one near my house, and I knew she wasn't gonna make that one, so I told her she went out to the hub. So I gave her the address. She made it out there, and the girl left me a 5-star review. I was so excited. What? And it's so funny. The person who you don't think is gonna leave you the review, that's the person who leaves you the review. It is so funny. That's why I ask everybody. You want to say good morning?
Morning, everybody.
Well, hold on. Now you can say it.
Hey, everybody.
Okay, he can't talk because now we're running late for the dentist. But anyway, I'll talk a few more minutes. A few more. So anyway, know where your FedEx offices are because that was something that she really appreciated. Again, because it was a court case and he had to get that back. I forgot what we was talking about before that. We've been talking about so much stuff today. This was just a lot of chit chat here. But you know we always drop it. Oh no, Creators Club. That's what we were talking about. Okay, sorry, we was in a bad area. Anytime we come out that area, it's kind of bad. So anyway, really quick, the Creators Club. So what is it? So you might have been hearing me talk about it, and it's not out soon. It's gonna be a few more months. But the Creators Club is just that many of you want another stream of income, and notary, of course, is my main bread and butter. But I'm all about the multiple streams, and I want that to be for you too. So many of you know how to bake cakes on the side. You know how to mow the lawn. You know how to do all this stuff, but you don't know how to start a business. Some of you want to write ebooks. Some of you want to do social media. You want to do YouTube. You want to do podcast. You might want to just do blogging. All of that kind of stuff. I'm here for it, and I do it. I do all of it. So I'm like, I got to help people get these multiple streams and get some of this digital money out here.